Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Walking Dead Telltale series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the game language. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Walking Dead Telltale series on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, navigate to the settings page. Within the settings option, you will see audio and display, the languages and about section. Navigate to the languages section, and now you can change the language setting from the various different ones that are available within the game. Just navigate to your preferred language, and once it is chosen, you can go back and your settings will be applied right away. Now, while this will affect the text and display language, it will not affect the language within the game, which means that the audio will still be played in English for most of the seasons. You can change this setting at any point of time by going back to the third option from the bottom and the second option to choose your desired language once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language settings on the Walking Dead Telltale series. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.